Be with us to live healthy, because health is wealth. Top 5 science-backed health tips for a healthy lifestyle. Introduction. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing the top 5 science-backed health tips to help you maintain a healthy lifestyle. Taking care of our health is crucial for overall well-being, so let's dive right in. The power of balanced nutrition. Discuss the importance of a well-balanced diet that includes all major food groups. Highlight the significance of consuming fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Emphasize portion control and the benefits of mindful eating. Regular exercise for physical and mental well-being. Explain the numerous benefits of regular physical activity, such as improved cardiovascular health, weight management, and enhanced mood. Recommend engaging in at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity aerobic activity per week. Suggest incorporating strength training exercises for overall muscle strength and bone health. 3. Prioritizing sleep for optimal health. Discuss the importance of quality sleep and its impact on physical and mental health. Highlight the recommended sleep duration for different age groups. Provide tips for improving sleep hygiene, such as establishing a consistent sleep schedule. Creating a comfortable sleep environment. 4. Stress management techniques. Explain the negative effects of chronic stress on the body and mind. Introduce stress management techniques like deep breathing exercises, meditation, yoga, and engaging in hobbies. Emphasize the importance of finding healthy coping mechanisms and seeking support when needed. 5. Hydration and its impact on health. Explain the importance of staying hydrated for optimal bodily functions. Highlight the benefits of water for digestion, metabolism, skin health, and overall well-being. Provide tips for staying hydrated, such as carrying a water bottle, tracking water intake, and consuming water-rich foods. Conclusion. Remember, incorporating these science-backed health tips into your daily routine can greatly contribute to your overall well-being. Start small, make gradual changes, and be consistent. Stay tuned for more informative videos on health and wellness. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.